안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 라지v 쿠마르입니다. 코리아 스튜디오 서울대에서 원영합니다. 저는 오늘은 코리안 애드밴스 그라머 나요 대해서 가르쳐 줄게요. Today I will teach you about the Korean advanced grammar. The pattern is nayo. Okay? Nayo. The pattern is nayo, and it says this is an interrogative ending attached to verb stems expressing his her closeness or politeness in any question. This can be used. Okay. Okay. So let's take first example. Okay. So that we can understand how we can use this one. Okay. So first example is what time did you leave the school yesterday? Yesterday. Okay. Question mark. Okay. So how you will say this in Korean? 어제 몇 시에 학교 학교에서 학교에서 나가 나가셨나요? Okay. Understood this? How we use this pattern, right? Okay. Okay. Let's take another example so you will understand better. Okay. Let's example second. When is the telephone number changed? Question mark. Okay. So Janhwa. I will say in Korean Janhwa Panhoga. Janha Panhoga. 언제 바꿨나요? 바꿨나요? Okay, good. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, let's take one more example. Can I meet Mr. Kim Lak Jun? Okay, Kim Lak Jun. I will say in Korean Kim Lak Jun. Ral Manal Su Inayo. Question mark. Okay. I hope guys you understand this class. Okay. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, you just message me in the message box, in the comment box, so that I can reply you. One more thing, if you have any doubt, any questions, you just mention in the comment box. And also, if you want to take class, personal class, you can join our membership plan. We will help you to understand the grammar completely. Okay. And please subscribe our channel and be with us, learn with us, and enjoy the class and enjoy the life. 안녕히 계세요. 감사합니다. 다음 수업에 만납시다. Let's meet in the next class.